Hi everyone. Today we will identify how to be mindful of every activity. We have learned a lot about mindfulness. Can you think about one thing that we have learned in mindfulness so far? Do you think you can be mindful when you wake up? When you go to sleep? When you're getting ready for school, when you're eating, when you're tying your shoes, when you're taking a shower, when you're brushing your teeth, when you're listening to your teacher, or maybe when you're playing on the playground. Sometimes you can think that that's not true, that you cannot be mindful in everything that you do. But you can. Now, let's think about an activity that you can do, like picking up a pencil or tying your shoes. And as you're doing it, try to notice in every little detail. For example, like moving, the lightness, the heaviness, the touching, if it's rough, if it's smooth, if it's hard or soft, and so on, like that. Now, let's close our eyes and imagine ourselves being mindful of an activity that you can do. For example, you can pick when you're eating, brushing your teeth, when you're taking a shower, even when you're if you're walking to school. I know we're not in school right now, but let's imagine that. Okay, you have to describe it in great detail, and after that, try to show what you notice with your imagination when you were having your eyes closed. What did you notice in the activity that you picked? So, if you were going to be mindful of one of these activities, what kinds of mindfulness would you be using? Now, choose one thing that you will try to do mindfully today and tomorrow. And next time you see your teacher in community time, you can share that with her. The journal questions for today are: how many times a day do you think you can remember to be mindful? Do you think it would be helpful to practice mindfulness every day? Why? What are some things you might notice if you were being mindful of brushing your teeth, eating a sandwich, walking on the playground, playing with your friends, sitting at your desk, tying your shoes, putting on a shirt or a jacket, taking a shower? Every little thing that you do every day, you can be mindful of. Now, let's close our eyes and let's breathe 3 times. Okay, guys, goodbye and see you next week. And remember, be mindful.